Truck 1 incoming. Stand clear. Confirmed. Bay is prepped for offload.
Initiating unload. Watch the blocks.
Looks stable. Guide it down slow. Block secured. Good work. Temperature's climbing. Keep the flow steady. Copy that. Tongs are positioned. Watch for surface cracks. Looks stable. Confirmed. Holding position.
The new titanium frame looks much stronger.
Yes, and it helps with thermal dissipation. I'm excited about the camera upgrades.
The display looks amazing. Let's test the gestures.
Let's do it.
The new
Power levels are stable. Engage the melt cycle.
cycle engaged. Temperature climbing.
White 3000
Fuel
px.
stable. Arc is stable. Welcome to
Good.
machine.
Monitor the pour. Starting the cycle now, watch the color shift.
Parts are in. Voltage is climbing.
Look at that orange glow.
Perfect finish.
The touch sensor layer is aligned over the display module. The sensor layer is lowered onto the module. Adhesion completes the integration, creating is ready for the next phase. The touch Initiating battery install for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Precision arms aligning the battery now. Battery installed. Moving to the next station.
First, the iPhone 17 Pro Max enters the heat chamber for extreme stress testing. It's holding steady at 95 degrees Celsius with no performance throttling. The device is powering down to conserve battery. Impressive. First, the iPhone battery life is up to 22 hours. Excellent.
And processing speed is 3.5 gigahertz, a solid gain.
Good, but let's check thermal
30
performance.
degrees, well, 40 millimeters.
Perfect. Let's lock this in. Battery. Connecting the device to the station now. Connection established. Flashing process initiated. Progress is at 50% and climbing. Flashing complete. Device is ready. First, go to Settings, then General, and tap Download and Install to begin. The download will begin. Your device will restart to complete the update. And you're done. Initiating AI calibration sequence for camera and sensors. Adjusting focal parameters, data stream is stabilizing. Sensor array responding. Calibration complete, all systems optimized. Let's test the system.
Approaching the sensor now.
John Doe recognized. Access granted.
Unidentified person detected.
Let's initiate loading sequence on Unit 47.
Cargo stable. Moving to next unit.
Confirmed. Unit 47 at 60%.
The new iPhones are here. Let's get them unpacked.
Great, I'll get the display ready.
Here's the first one. All set.
Looks good. Let's get them on display.
The new